Welcome back to Between Earth and Sky Journey. This is Station 3, Parts of a Plant Station. So today you're going to be learning all the different parts of a plant that you can eat. So we're going to start off with the roots. These are carrots and parsnips. They are roots because they grow underneath the ground. And now we're going to see stems. Stems are stems because they're like celery, and then there's stems. Yeah, and they grow above the ground. And the seeds are the seeds because that's how the plant grows. So these are the leaves. So we have spinach, kale, cilantro, and cabbage. And these are leaves because they grow on the
leafy part of the plant.
Yeah, they're the leafy part of the plant.
That we eat.
Yeah. They taste good too. And this might sound crazy, but these flowers can turn into broccoli, pumpkins, cauliflower, eggplant, and cucumbers. It's true, they can turn into these. And also the flowers. They're flowers. And they all taste good. I haven't tasted pumpkin yet, but I tasted pumpkin pie, and that tastes good. And these are the fruit. These are all fruit because they have seeds inside of the plant. Like the watermelon, you can see the watermelon seeds are inside of the watermelon. And in the peppers, there's seeds inside of the peppers. And in zucchini, there's some inside of them. In cantaloupe, there's some. And even in tomatoes, there's some inside of there. Okay, so now you're gonna sort all of these together now that you know the different parts of the plant that you can eat. You sort them into each column. And then you're done. Bye. Hi, I'm Lily from Troop 20057, and welcome to Between Earth and Sky Journey. This is Station 3, Parts of the Plant Station. So today we are this session is going to be about science. So we're seeing how plants drink water or celery sticks. So in this case, I have I left these out for 3 different time frames. This one for 4 hours, this one for 1 day, and this one for 2 days. And we're going to see how celery drinks the water. So, in this case, you can use a flower or celery. We use celery because we wanted to use celery. And so, we have blue and red. You can choose. I think blue and red are better than the other colors because like if you use yellow or green, the leaves are already green, so it won't really show up that well. And yellow's a really light color, so you won't really see it that much. And so I think this one worked out, or like the 48 hours it looks best with, but also 24 hours looks good too. As you can see that this one absorbed the most, or these ones absorbed the most water because they're in for the longest. And we're going to go and see how they absorb it. So, I'm going to take out the blue one because I think blue shows the best. And so, I'm going to cut the stem. And as you can kind of see that there's blue on there. Let me get a different one. Maybe not cut as far. Yeah, they're not showing up as well, but you can still see there's some blue dots around here. And that's how those are the pathways for how how it drinks. I have a better one that might show up better. So if you look up here, that there's like the water goes through the celery from the bottom. It goes up and it goes to the leaves. And these are like the water passageways. So as you can see that there are some blue on there. And these are actually edible, so you can eat them. These, you just use food coloring, and food coloring is edible, so you can have these as a delicious snack someday. I personally like my celery. It tastes good. Okay, now this station is over. Now draw a flower in green and your passport. Make sure it's in green, no other color. Bye!